Welcome everyone. So our today's video is related to one question. What is meant by adulteration of food? And this question is from class 7 and lesson food safety. So let's answer this question with this video. Alright, so what is adulteration of foods? Let's understand its definition first. So adulteration is the act of making something impure, okay, something impure or altering its original form by adding materials or elements that aren't usually part of it and especially inferior ones. Okay, so what is adulteration? It is a process of making some kind of a food, okay, making some kind of a food impure by adding some of the other substances to the original food and reduces its quality. Okay, it will reduces its quality, or it will make the substance, the pure substance, in the impure form, and the substance which we are adding for the impure the quality of a original food, it will be inferior quality. Okay, that means, and the substance which is added, it is called as a adulterant. Okay, so let's see what is adulterant. So for making the impure food or impure substance, adulterant is added to pure form of a food. Okay, so let's see what it is. So an adulterant is a chemical. So it is a chemical which acts as a contaminant when combined with other substance. That means when we add adulterant to some kind of a fruit, like on the screen you can observe in tomato, tomato has been injected, okay, by some kind of a adulterant. Okay, so it is a chemical which will add it to the food. It will make it will make the food impure, or it will make the tomatoes or anything which has been eaten, it will make it impure. Okay, and adulterants are added to pure substances. Okay, pure substances to extend the quantity while reducing the quality. So by adding the adulterant to pure substance, so the pure substance quality will be reduces, and but its quantity will be increases. So we can say, just to increase the yield of food production, the adulterant is uses, but it is of no use because it will reduces the quality of a pure food or pure substance, and which leaves very harmful effects on our health also. Alright, so the health of all people, young and old, poor or rich, is endangered by food adulteration, and different types of adulterants affect our health in different ways. So it is very harmful for our health. And some adulterants cause abdominal discomfort or poisoning, while some may affect the functioning of some organs if consumed over a long period of a time, or even cause cancer. So if we are using adulterant food for a long period of a time, so what happen, it will even causes cancer also, or it will leave some kind of effect like abdominal discomfort or food poisoning, while some may affect the function of some of the organs. Okay, so complete the following table. So this is given on page number 38 of your textbook, class 7. Okay, so here three columns are given. First is for food stuff, and second is for adulterant. Okay, so four types of food stuff, three types of food stuffs are given here: milk, red chili powder, and ice cream. Third one we have to find out. Okay, and we have to write here adulterant of a particular food stuff. Like to make the milk impure, or for the milk adulteration, which adulterants are used? Let's see. So here water is added to milk to make it impure, or just to increase the quantity of a milk. Alright, so water is added, chalk powder is added, caustic soda, detergent, fat, and urea. So these all are the increase the quantity of a milk. Okay, and second is red chili powder. So to make the red chili impure, let's see which adulterants are uses. So here brick powder, okay, the bricks which are used to manufacturing the buildings or anything, any construction thing. So brick powder is with red brick powder is added to red chili powder, just to give a very good red color to chili powder. Brick powder is used, and sawdust is used, sand is used. Now what is sawdust, we will see in our next slide. Okay, now third is seeds of, here adulterant is given, seeds of papaya, and this adulterant is added in black pepper. Okay, we know that black seeds of a seeds of a papaya are black in color, so these adulterant are uses is mixed with the black pepper. Okay, and for the ice cream, adulterant or impure substances are washing powder, ethyl acetate and gum. So these all are the chemicals. These are chemical make the food stuff impure, or it will reduces the quality of food original food stuffs. Okay. Okay, so food is adulterated in this way too. So let's alright, so removal of some important components of food, example removal of fat content of milk, essence of essence of cloves and cardamom, etc. So removal the important. So we know that adulterants are added to this substance. So when we add some chemical to the original food component, what happened? They will remove the important components of the food and they will make the impure food. Okay, so for example, removal of fat content of milk, essence of cloves, essence means flavor of a clove, okay, and cardamom, so it will reduces them. And next is mixing of a low quality, inedible or cheaper material or a harmful color with the food. That means like we have seen our previous slide that to give a very good color to red chili powder, what is added? Sawdust is added and brick powder is added. Okay, so these are very inferior in quality or very low, cheaper in quality, so it will make the substance very harmful. Okay, and next is a mixing of some harmful materials like small stones, fine sand, iron fillings, urea, dung of horse, sawdust, etc. So these all are the harmful materials which are added to substance or food material, and it will make some very harmful effects. Okay, so here iron filling, so this is a urea which is added to milk and ice creams also. Okay, and this is iron filling which is also added for the adulteration of a food, and this is the sawdust. So this is we know that the raw material which has been left during the carpentry work, okay, while doing any making any furniture or any sofas, anything related to carpentry, this sawdust is remaining, and this sawdust is added to food to make them adulterate. Okay, so this is how the food is adulterated. Okay, so student, always remember this things. Some chemicals are injected into fruits to make them more attractive and tasty. Second, milk vendors add urea to the milk so that it appears to have higher fat content. And next is shopkeepers change the expiry date of the food packets and airtight containers to avoid a financial loss. Calcium carbide and some other chemicals are used to make fruits look more attractive. Example, bright yellow bananas. Last but not the least, frequently harmful chemicals like carbonated soda, phosphoric acid, etc. are mixed with the cold drinks. Okay, so student, these all are the things which we are suffering in our daily life and which leave very dangerous and harmful effects on our health. Okay, so this is all about this lesson. I hope you all have understood this lesson, and to get more videos of this lesson, just go through my playlist. Thank you all of you.